Listen to it. You hear it? How can you check if it is assembled in the correct way? This means closed is closed, normal is normal, reserve is reserve. Let's try to give you a little hint. Clockwise to the right till it stops here. Nothing is allowed to go through. Give it a blow job. So nothing goes through. Then, remember that the lever is like this, so it's closed. Turn it 90 degrees, like this. This is normal. What is normal? Here, it is this tube. This sound has to be like you blow through a small hose or tube, and it sounds like this. That's a small tube. 90 degree turn and another 90 degrees, so 180 from closed. It now sounds different because normal is that opening down there, not this down there. Listen to it. You hear it? There's no tube. This is reserve, so no tube here at the bottom. And this is normal. It's the tube, it sounds a little bit higher. That's the second one. This is the old one. Turn it to the right if I assembled it correctly. Yep, nothing goes through. Turn it 90 degrees. It needs to sound a little bit higher. Yup. Now another 90 degrees, so we have 180. That's reserve. Yup. Sounds correctly. Same with the first one. Clockwise to the right. Now it needs to be closed. Yup. 90 degrees. Needs to sound very high because this is the normal position with the tube. Yup. And another 90 degrees. Now it's reserve, it's the bottom opening. Bottom, reserve. Tube, normal. Closed. Nothing goes through. So, first one is assembled correctly. That's the version 2. Version 3 I call it. Let's disassemble this one, because only one is not enough to say something about it. You do not have to give the field type of blowjob. You just do two things. First, you make sure that this small tab here is at, let's say, 1 o'clock. And as the rotary disc now has a shape, you cannot mix it up anymore. I'm gonna open it and show you how it has to be, and then this field tab is easy peasy correctly assembled. Remove the screws, and 1 o'clock is this small tab here from the metal that holds the connector to the lever. Then it has to be like this, so kind of from 12 to 3, 12-3 or 11-3. Then you cannot go wrong. This tab is correctly assembled. So closed is closed, normal, reserve is actually normal and reserve and doing what it is supposed to do. Good thing, good idea. Because you know, remember the other one is straight. So you never know if you put it like this or the other way around. it completely turns, switches the functions. So this cannot be assembled wrongly. That's good. Okay. Final blow job. To the right. It's closed. 90 degrees. Now it's reserve. Bullshit. 90 degrees. Now it is normal. A lighter, higher sound. Because we're blowing through a tube. Oops. And the louder sound when it is reserve. Yes. With this trick, with this 11-12-3, it's impossible to assemble it wrongly. Well thought. Good job.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?
These are standard clutch plates, or at least this on this little power. Here, see the edge again. It's here, but it was clear, at least to me. If you solve one weak spot, the next one will hit in. The problem with the taps is solved. This can take 30 and more horsepower.